I've always been interested in the area that was just beyond where you could go with recreational scuba diving. You know, I did a lot of diving in the kind of 100, 120 foot range, and you could always look over that edge and see, you know, it kind of drops off and it's this sort of mystery that's down there, and it's the, you know, coolest part of the ocean. It's the twilight zone. It sounds awesome, and it is awesome. The twilight zone, we typically say, exists between about 200 and 500 feet below the surface of the ocean. And it's one of the least explored regions of our planet. We couldn't get there using traditional scuba equipment, and it's been left alone and left unstudied for all of modern science.
There's a layer of coral reef that grew during the last glacial period, 10,000 years ago when the sea level was lower. Sea level grew up, that reef is still there. The coral is not growing anymore because there's not enough light, but there's all that structure there. So that's where there's habitat for a lot of fish, sponges, gorgonians, so the diversity was really high, and everything there is unknown. From the shallow reefs, we know about 90% of the diversity. In the twilight zone, we know about 10%. Every time we go to those depths, because they're so unexplored, you find literally dozens of new species.